Namaskar. Chairperson of this valedictory function of self-financed faculty development program for librarians on creation, preservation, and dissemination of e-content organized by St. Vincent College of Commerce, Pune, in association with UGC Human Resource Development Center. Formerly, it was known as a Academic Staff College, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, during 6th June to 19th June 2020. Inaugurator of the opening ceremony, Honorable Uday Samant sir, who is a Minister of Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra. Professor Dr. Sanjeev Sonawne, who is the Director of HRDC. Dr. Jivendra Jadhav, Director, and Dr. Anil Adsule, Principal of St. Vincent College of Commerce. My friend and Program Coordinator, Mr. Yogesh Mate. Dr. Sunil Shetty, Program In Charge. Resource persons, Dr. Rajendra Kumbhar, Dr. Mohan Kherde, Mr. Prahlad Jadhav, Dr. Gopa Kumar, Dr. Prashant Kalluri, and all participant friends. First of all, I congratulate organizers and the participants, you all, on completion of this virtual faculty development program during this pandemic situation of COVID-19. In the present scenario of the whole world has come to a standstill. The solution for this grave situation is not in near sight. In order to overcome this malady, many ways are being devised to stay connected and as well as to avoid physical one-to-one contact. Here comes the handy latest technology which serves both the purpose. The present program is basically aimed at achieving this goal with the extensive use of electronic technology. Friends, you might have appeared different FDPs during this period, but this course has a different value as it is conducted by University Grant Commission's Human Resource Development Center. So also, UGC Regulation 2018, which was implemented by Government of Maharashtra on 8th March 2019, has many changes with the previous draft. It has given option of trainings and short-term courses in place of refresher courses. Now such FDP and courses are essential for promotion under Career Advancement Scheme, that is CAS, as well as it has weightage in self-appraisal also. The e-content are covered in 3D of the format, in which number 1 is for e-content in 4 quadrants. For a complete course ebook, there are 12 points per course curricula. In second, there are 12 points per curricula per course. In third, 2 points are there for per module, and in fourth, it is for editor of e-content for complete course or paper or ebook, 10 points per course or per paper. It is very important. Further, librarian with knowledge of e-content can be an asset to his or her college. The program empowered the librarians with latest updated knowledge in the area of creation, preservation, and dissemination of e-content for effective sharing of knowledge to its seekers. It also enhances the skills of the librarians in the process of dissemination of information in the most systematic and efficient manner. The subsequent objective includes creating awareness about the importance of e-content, creation, acquiring video editing skills and its preservation, to learn tools used for dissemination of e-content and more. I personally feel very happy by looking at the contents of the faculty development program due to its interesting features and its course contents. Step-by-step learning supported with various assignments and quizzes help to understand course contents more easily. Various burning topics like role of librarian, e-content development, creation and editing of desktop, mobile-based instructional video, creation of institutional repository using DSpace, creation of website and web tools for the library, e-content and plagiarism, effective information retrieval tools including Google tools for information dissemination, etc. are covered in this faculty development program. Eminent allies resource persons like Professor Dr. Rajendra Kumar sir, Professor Dr. Mohan Kherde sir, Professor Dr. B. Gopa Kumar sir, Dr. Prahlad Jadhav sir, Prashant Kalloli sir, who have given proper justice to the course and contents whichever assigned to them. The demonstration in respect of Camtasia video creating and editing software, creation of library instructional videos with background music, creation of on-screen website, explanatory video given by Professor Gopa Kumar was very much useful. Lectures on role of librarian in e-content development given by Professor Rajendra Kumar, as well as a lecture on learning management system given by Professor Mohan Kherde was available. Application of open broadcast software for creating videos also found useful for the participants. Metadata harvesting, creating institutional repositories with the use of DSpace, PHP list applications, etc. topics also found very useful. Definitely, library professionals will incorporate all these applications for their routines to render effective library services to the users. I once again congratulate to the organizers for the successful faculty development program, particularly Dr. Yogesh Mate, who has also helped individually to all the participants. He has solved each and every query. He was in contact of each participants. That is a very, very, very important. So I have dialogue with some of the participants. Their opinion that it was one of the best faculty development program. And hence, once again, I congratulate organizers for successful completion of this faculty development program. I'm very much grateful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to present my views here. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.